And here's how to show what game you're playing in Discord. Open your Discord and click on User Settings. Scroll down in this left-hand menu. Under Activity Settings, click on Activity Privacy. And here you have to enable this option, Share your detected activities with others. Also enable Share your activity status by default when joining large servers. Click on Yes. And now go to Registered Game section. And here we have to manually add the game, which game we want to display in Discord. So click on Add It, click on this drop down and select the game and click on Add Game. Here make sure to toggle overlay and that's it. Now on, when you play a game, the game will be automatically shown in your Discord. Thanks for watching.